Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to our computer class. In previous class, we learned about set pen color to and change pen color to blocks. Today, in this class, we are going to learn set pen shade to, change pen shade by and change pen size by blocks. Set pen shade to. It sets the pen shade to a specified value. It sets the sprite's pen tone to the intensity we set. The pen tone is between 0 to 100. So, 0 is close to black, 100 is close to white. Now, I am going to show how it works. Take when space key pressed from event block. Click and drag pen tone block from pen block. Now I am going to set pen size. Change the value to 10 and pen color. Click and drag set pen shade to 50. Click motion block, click and drag move blocks and change the value 50 steps forward. In this script, we are going to set the color range. The set pen shade to only set the color range. Listen students, now I am going to take a repeat block from the control block. Let us see what is the use of repeat. A particular action is going to be performed again and again or repeatedly. That is called repeat. Okay. That is the use of repeat. Okay. Here I just set the value 10, which means it repeats the action for 10 times. Next, click pen block. Click set pen shade to. Change the value 70. Next, click motion block. Click and drag move block and change the value 50. Students, now I am going to press spacebar key. All of you see the stage. My sprite is moving with red color. So the red color shade will be changed lightly. That is, brightness of the red color goes from dark to light red. Next, I am going to show one more example. I am going to change the value 90. Students, see the stage. Now can you understand? Yes? Okay. Next, once again I am going to change the value here 10. Okay. Once again I am going to press the space bar key, dark color. That is 0 is close to black color. Okay, 0 is close to black color. Here I used 10. Okay. Now can you understand? Shall I go to the next block? Yes. Next, change pen shade by. It changes pen shade by a specified value. It increases the intensity of sprite's pen tone by the specified value. I used the same script, but I am going to make changes in this previous script. Okay, just I removed set pen shade 2. Okay, First, click and drag pen, change pen shade by 10. Go to pen block, click and drag, change pen shade by. Okay. Change the value 20. Next, click motion block, click and drag, move blocks and change 50 step. Now press the space bar key because here I had given when space bar key pressed, whenever you want to run the script, press space bar key. Okay. Change pen shade is used to increase the value to shade by 10 again and again. Okay, for 10 times. Because we used this repeat block with value 10. It runs the script 10 times repeatedly. Okay, see that arrow mark, it runs the script repeatedly 10 times. Okay. Are you able to see the difference between two scripts? Here the values changed continuously. I used the loop. Okay. Change pen shade by. The first line cannot change the brightness. We have already set the shade. Okay. But here the shade will be changed whenever the loop is executed. Can you understand, students? Okay. The last one pen block topic is change pen size by. It changes pen thickness by specified value. It increases the pen thickness. Okay. Here click events when flag clicked. Okay. Click pen block. Click and drag pen down and set pen color to blue. Okay. Set pen color to blue. Then click drag clear. I want to clear that screen. Okay. Clear. Next, set pen size. Set pen size to 10. Click motion block. Click and drag, move 10 steps. Okay. Change the value to 50. Control block. Click and drag a repeat block. Change the value to 4. Okay. So the loop will be executed 4 times. Next, click pen block. Change pen size by. Change the value 20. Next, set pen color to here. Next, change the value. Next, click motion blocks. Click and move. Change the value 20. Okay. Once again, click pen block. Click change pen shade by. I am going to change the brightness of the pen color. Okay. Change pen shade by. Next, click motion block. Take move block. Change the value 20. Okay. Now I am going to run this script. Whenever I run this script, my sprite pen thickness will be increased by 20. Here, change pen size by 20. Okay. Because here I have set the pen size, change pen size by 20. It increments the value by 20. Your pen size is 20. Now, we will see. Okay. See. Here blue color I have set, then set pen size. My pen size is here 10. this is I used repeat block, so it continuously this script only repeated 4 times. Okay, change pen size by 20. So it increment the value 20. 10 plus 20, 30. Okay, my color is 34, that is yellow color. 10 plus 20, 30. Again, it's going to continue the loop. Okay, so again it will be incremented 20. Again it incremented 20. Again it incremented 20. 4 times the loop will be executed. Okay, this is the change pen size, thickness of the pen size. It is incremented. This is 1 time, 2 time, third time, this is 4th time. Okay, I hope all of you would have understood this pen block concept. Yes? Okay. Today in this class we learn about change pen shade by, set pen shade to, change pen size by. In the next class we will learn sensing blocks. Thank you, students.